Sound check. We are live, and I hope the sound is good. Maybe I can get some background music on. Right, hopefully on YouTube. Get royalty free. Let's look for a playlist. Kind of music, inspirational music. All right, let's do inspirational. I think I'll have to activate what's it called? Ad blocker. Right. All right. I have a little background music going on there, right there. And that's true. I think the best way would have been download. Okay. Let's see. By the way, guys, come follow me. Let's see. Alright, guys, so those of you who left up yesterday, right? The trade ended up being a loss, right? I'm proud to take the loss because the parameters I set for myself was met, so I was proud to take the loss for yesterday. All right, let's put yesterday behind us, and this kind of like a midpoint supply zone. It's kind of holding price at the moment, as you can see, right, on a 15 minutes time frame. What do we see? Price has already dipped into the region though, so it's is it really still very effective? I think I drew it on a daily time frame, I guess. All right, I think yeah, price already closed inside, so I think I'll have to take that off and maintain. Okay, what are we looking at? Let's take this off. Take this off. So we have the high and low of previous day. Price for today, price is still at the middle. The low has not been reached, and of course the high has not been reached. Also for the Euro JPY, that's what I'm watching at the moment. I'm yet to see something significant for the pound USD pair, and okay, nice, rejected again, probably. Let's stick with this for now. And yesterday we were looking at, okay, there was really nothing. If you are just joining us, guys, please, I appreciate if you leave a like, a comment. It's gonna help a lot. We're live, trading live. I hope the sound is okay. Let's focus on this. What can we see? I think I'll have to face a bigger screen. Or you'll need Let me see. Just to note, as expected, the buy side was taken, so no longer relevant. I was kind of, when I entered the trade, I said it if you were on live with me, that there's likely possibility of price taking this side. That's why I put it there. So that's why that setup met all my criteria, but it has liquidity sitting at the top of it. So technically, I should have at least pay attention. Although I did pay attention, but I just assume it away that it's not gonna have a significant effect, right? So that's that. I think we need hold on a second. Let me see if I can fix. Oh. Okay, I think we have a better. Oh, okay, man. The price is moving upward, right? You can clearly see. Let's take this off. Oh, no, let's leave it. That's the kind of a trend line right there. Then we have a demand. Right there. Price reacted off it. Price reacted from it. Price kind of broke structure. So expect price to take at least the high of the day. Can we get something in a lower time frame? Oh, interesting. Let's not stress ourselves. Let's look at it from this perspective. Let's say we have a supply and demand. So this is supply tested, and the previous demand that brought price to the upside. Technically, down close candle is supporting price. Not exactly. Price closed below its midpoint. So if price is going to go up, price should take this high. At this movement, there's a very high possibility price is still going to push down. Then the high of previous day will be respected. Who knows? I don't think so. Can we see the Asia range? That's Asia range. I think so. Took the Asia range already. The Asia low is still liquidity for us, right? There's a possibility we can still take the Asia low. Let's see something that is clean. All right, so what can we see right there? Euro US, Euro JPY. That's what we are looking at. And I think I saw a setup before I came live. Okay, right there, right? In a lower time frame, that was close above but on a higher time frame, close above but still kind of respecting price overall, right? And lower time frame, this pound USD. Might likely see we have imbalance here, right? So let's say if you're taking a trade-off of that fair value gap for entry to downside, is there a reasonable belief that price is going to go down? Okay, not bad. Not bad. I have like this arrow, if you can get that to trigger. So something around the, let me demonstrate this. It's demo, so I think no one is gonna be hot. Let's leave out to take profit. Stop loss is I think I can just click this and change it to create a limit order of it. I'm not sure let's try. Oh yeah, exactly. All right, so let's see if that's gonna trigger. What my position size? No, let's risk 1%. Let's take that off. Risk 1%. Okay. Or modify 1%. All right, let's see. So it looks clean. Looks clean. The first setup is based off of our previous analysis, right? I published it on my website for the week, right? So you can check it out. Technical analysis right there. Oh yeah, right there. What are we looking at? Of course, pound USD right there. Right. Also on TradingView, so you can go check it out. TradingView. Right there. Right. So I'm reasonably expecting price to go down. I think the only concern is okay, price already reacted, reached previous day high, move up, rejected, took a sharp high, took a sharp low. Technically we took a sharp high, right? So there's a setup like liquidity grab, right? Asia consolidation, Asia low, Asia high, New York session took Asia high, Asia low, maybe just reverse to the midpoint and go down. So this looks like what is likely playing out, right? On the 15 minutes, of course, this is Asia high, Asia low, right? Asia high was taken, right? Then price reached a reversal point for the daily candle. I'm thinking aloud, right? Based off of what I think. I wish I can show it from my own setup. I think I need a bigger screen, or I'll have to increase. I barely see. Or maybe I need a goggle glass. I think I need a bigger screen. I have a bigger screen right there. Maybe I'll look okay. Maybe I'll have a bigger screen on this side. Maybe. Let's see. Maybe I should change it to the darker theme. The darker theme will be better for me. But I don't know. I think on the next stream I'll have to test it out. I'll barely see what's going on there. But I know there's a reversal on the daily there. Let's see how it goes. Let's not stress. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Let's see if to trigger and price to continue downward. We have imbalances right there. Fair value gap, right? To this, alright. So essentially, we can build up a story, right? Can build up a story, the buy side taking, right? Then we kind of like took a swing low, multiple, but I think there's one around there. So kind of have a break of or change of character right there. We have imbalance. So I think, what do you think, guys? Please leave a comment. I think the YouTube model is right there, coupled with the fact that we have an overhaul. We have price rejecting of this support, which technically can be said to be other block, daily time frame other block. Right, so we have confluences around this region. So reasonably expect price to go down. Well, is price going to go down? Well, $100 risk for $600 gain. Very bad one. If you play hard and record that we should think in series of trade, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if you are taking any challenge, you are expected to depend on the platform. Expected not to lose below 10, right? 10%. right, of your total balance, your drawdown, right? So technically, if you lose this, you gain this. If your risk reward is this, then you should be up, right? So you think in series of trades and not in a particular trade. So this is a startup account right now, right? For paper account, obviously 10,000 balance. So if it's a 10,000 challenge, I lose this, I have to try another one. If I lose that, try another one, right? So I have to think in series of trade to know if, but I've tested, I've back tested this, so I know to a reasonable extent, we should expect a scale of above 65% win. So let's hope it's going to trigger and going to see something unique right there. So the down close candle is supporting price, right? So let's have this in mind. Take the buy side. The buy side. And we also have the high of previous day right there. So it looks nice. But is this gonna reject price again? Right? This kind of what I call a reverse gap, right? It's supposed to support price, but it did not. Although technically we have two, so we have 1, 2, and the one, if we measure it premium to discount, right? This the one fall inside the discount is the one that's currently holding price. So technically we should expect, at least if we are taking this trade, expecting that this other block, the midpoint, is gonna hold price. Maybe we'll take 3-1. Let's see if that's gonna play out. If you have any particular chart you want us to look at, so you're welcome basically to this live stream. You're welcome to this live trading stream. This is live Forex trading stream. Please comment and like to help others see this. Thank you. Let me pin this. All right, guys, so leave a comment, leave a like, let me know what's up, let me know, guys. What do you think about this setup? Do you have something contrary? This should be reasonable considering the fact that we've been going up, right? So we should see a pushback. Although that is not a yardstick, we can continue going up. But I think, let's see. So British pound USD. By 2 p.m. we have by then this stream would have ended. So this should be about 2 hours from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. right? But I think it's better I start off 11:30 to 1:30. I think 11 to 1 when New York opened. I wish we can do it for 3 hours. I think sometimes we do it for 3 hours so we can capture New York session, right? I hope we're gonna be triggered in. Interesting right there. Let's see if it's gonna work out. All right, so for Euro JPY, the previous reverse gap could not hold price, so technically price close above to be nice, and we also have not yet, but at least we have something going on here. We should see this trade work out. Is there anything on gold? I think I will have to do. Oh, what's there on gold? Looks like we are up on gold. Yeah, we'll be going up. I'll grab my FIB too. Let's do this. Nothing there right there. I think we have a clean order block right there. The price rejected of that order block. Price gonna test that other block again. Well, can't let's see if nice. Okay, so we reached the complete circle for that down move. Although price can break below anyway, but at least we reach a complete circle, reacted off a complete circle. Is there another story we can build up? But at least we have a story upward already, right? So technically we want to participate in price. Wow, okay. It's not looking bad. Can we get an entry for about 6? Let's see if we can get an entry. So let's see how it goes. Or technically I can just create a limit order of this, right? Then risking 1%. Let's see. All right, not bad. There's a lot of bad side around this region. The previous day, I know, kind of like the Asia high is for the Euro JPY. The Asia high is not sitting on liquidity, right? It's not sitting on liquidity at all. So taking Asia high and opening the low, taking, if you are using that. Can I go back? The model I drew earlier. Let's do it again. At least we are learning, right? So we have Asia consolidation, right? Right? Then New York, London, grab, then take the low. Then probably go back to the midpoint and rear down, right? That is what we are hoping will play out right there. We have not been triggered in yet, but technically we can see that this is a high, right? And of course another high right there. So this can be seen as liquidity taking, but for EJ, Euro JPY, this high is not sitting on any liquidity, as in they just kind of like move down. The low is even better. I wish price this London session open and come down to take this low, right? Would have been better to expect price to go up from here. But at the moment, price did not. What price did was to go back to the midpoint, right? No, price did not even come to the midpoint, right? Did not. So I believe the previous day high is the liquidity for us. So this setup is, in my opinion, is very valid. Very valid. This also should play out. Let's see. All right, is there any comment? Please leave a comment. I hope I remember before the next stream. I need to download this music so I don't get to spend additional data playing it. I'll just download the whole playlist. Oh, okay, yeah. What I can do is I'll download it and play it offline. Yeah, I'll download it, then play it. Alright. That's also good. I'll download, or rather save and play offline. I'll download and play offline. Nice. That'll save me some data. Trigger. I think I have a pending order on my challenge account. Yeah. I'm in on my challenge account. I'm in. So see, I'm in. So you see. Let's hope today's a good day. If today's not, come back the next day. Please guys, dear friends, like, follow, and subscribe. I wonder why TradingView. I think the spread for TradingView must be very large for it not to have triggered. Should have triggered by now. Where's my camera? Oh, camera. We're having a rejection, but there's no entry. Although my challenge account has I've been triggered. I don't know why. Oh, I think oh, having a rejection from this region. Up, top, top, top. They should go break even, break even, break even, break even. Having a rejection from this region. Okay. Let's see, but there's still a very high possibility price is going to go up to take the high. At least this. So let's keep our fingers crossed. But is it really necessary to have moved this up to break even? Technically, let's leave our stop back. Let's see, but it might just retest and go upward. It might just be just normal reaction. Nothing to be scared about. Let's believe price is gonna continue. I hope price is gonna take this. So this is where still possible, like high, right? Higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, then low, right? All here low, lower high, then lower low. Is that what we are looking at? Okay. Look like kind of like head and shoulder. Then this confirming it. I think break even is, let's go break even. Let's go break even. Looking at it, let me see. Let me put a small position for a my challenge account. Not an invitation for you, right? You need to know what you're doing to be doing this. A very small position for challenge account, right? So let's do this. In challenge account, technically what I just did, let me just do it. Can I do it here? Yeah. Instant. No. Let's assume this break even is no longer in play. All I just did now is I stop right there. Entry. CP this low. I want to create a trade. I don't want to pending. Why is it just showing pending? Alright. Buy, sell. I want to sell one market order. I want quantity. Quantity should be 100 for unit. Unit should be 10,000. I think for 100, right? Yeah. How many people? I was my stop loss. Let me take 50 units. 50 units should be 0.5. I should determine what my stop loss. Where's my stop loss gonna be? Stop loss is gonna be there. How many pips do we have? I have at least 31 pips, right? So 31 pips and risking 1%. So technically what should be done is we're risking 1% and 31 pips. Okay, let's do the map. Okay, let's sell for now. Let's do 500. That's gonna be like oops, actually that's more than a percent for the account. But I completely forgot how. It's a shame that I completely forgot. Alright guys, please comment. Let me try to figure it out on live. Please don't shame me. So technically, how many units do I need if I'm risking 1%? Right, of 10,000. Right, of 10,000, right? So that's $100. I'm willing to risk $100, 1%, right, for 10,000. And for the setup is 35 pips. Let's say 30 pips. Right? So I'm dividing 30 pips by 100, right? Do I still need to times it? Let's divide what we have. One divide what we have is 0.30, right? I guess that's right. Technology has made us not to know what to calculate. Then what I have is 0.30. I think I need to times it by the amount of unit to get the lot size, right? The amount of unit. How many units can 30 take, right? I think for standard is 100. So let's start with standard. S equals to 100,000 units for one lot. No, don't do that. For one lot, right? Then I think is it micro mini lot, right? Mini lot 10,000, right? Then macro lot, let's say M small, macro 1,000 units. So how much can I afford for this unit right there? I think I have to multiply it. That's my account, right? So 0.30 times my account size. I have to check, confirm this, please. I think automation has made us not to know the basic, forgot the basic rather. Okay, so right, 3,000. So I can take up to like 3,000, right? 3,000 is above, so I can take 3,000 minus. So I should take 75, something around 77,000 units, right? That's what I should have done here. 7,000 units. I have to check it. I'm not sure. I have to check it. Oops. Finally, just go to. I will add the tool to my website very soon. Risk calculator. What I use for my challenge account is the risk calculator. Very easy to use. So to figure out how to calculate this now, it's kind of, let me not stress myself about that at the moment, but I'll have to figure it out. We'll figure it out very soon. I think the unit size, let me start from the unit size while we are with our setup. Our setup is pretty simple. Oops. Right. This didn't trigger. Break even should have hit by now. The set setup, I believe the set setup is valid. But let me figure out how to calculate this. Unit 100,000 for standard lots. Then 10,000 for mini lot. Then 1,000 for micro lots. Right? Now, how many units can I take to determine the lot size for that trade based of my stop loss, right? So my stop loss is 30 pips, right? And if I'm risking my account size pip, right? My account size is $10,000 account size, right? And I'm risking 1% of 10,000, 10K. That is $100, right? Now to determine the lot size, I might to divide the $100 or divide the 30. Okay, I think I need to divide the amount times the pip, the amount like this. Please guys, let me know in comment section if you can help us solve this. Oh, I'll give us 12.5, right? That's 3.3 lot for that account size. I think that's wrong. Oh yeah, times 100. I think so. Is it at 100 or times? times my account size, right? So what I have is I can also do it like times my account size. That okay. 30 divided by 100. That will give me 0.30 times my account size 10,000. So 0.30 times my account size. That's 3. How can that be? 3,000 units for 1%. That looks not correct. Oh, okay. I think I have to redo this one, I'm sure. Oops. Who cares? It's paper account anyway. I think we should have left our previous trade, but let's see. Let's see if we're gonna get a lower low. That's not the headache for now. The headache is trying to determine. Okay. I think 30, the pip divided by the amount you're willing to risk. Okay, yeah. The pip divided by the amount you're willing to risk, right, times your account size. So that's 30, the pip, the amount you're willing to risk, divided by the amount in dollar, times 10,000. Your account size. Still giving me, right? Oh, I think it's, to be honest, I have to confirm. Let's ignore this for now. Trying to figure out what I cannot get. It's a shame. Shame. Do I need to know how to calculate it to make money? Of course, I should know. This is very basic. I've done it. It's been long I did it. I know I used to do it manually, but been doing it since we have technology has made it easier. You can just calculate everything. For this is 13 pip stop loss. I got 75. Am I making money? That's what is important right now. Let's see how it goes. Oh boy. Hungry. Oh my God. What's going on? Oof. It's not looking good. Oh, we have my goodness, what happened? Was there a news? Oops. Goodness. So fast. That's not good for me. Oh man. Whoops. I expect the next bar to reject. Ah. If it fails, we'll try again tomorrow. So huge volume to the upside. This might just be a kind of like inducement. It might just be an inducement for buyers to come in. Let's hope. Please leave a like, comment. Let me know what's up. Let me know where you're watching from. It'll be interesting to know where you're watching from. Of course, share with friends, family. Let me know. I got this all wrong. Got this really wrong. Well, let's see how it goes. It would have been better I put a pending order then stop. But the deed is done. Right. You have to figure out this whatever later. By 1 p.m. I'm gonna end the stream. So we're not making a lower low. Is that what the price is saying? We're going upward, or it's just going to take me out and come and make the lower low? Damn. This is not good. I think the lower time frame price should be making high already. But there's no okay. So I have a swing high. Imbalance. Whoops. Why don't I see this kind of clean setup? Ah. Oh, well, the setup is not lower time for confirmation that this is going up. Ah, I should have just dropped a lower time frame rather than, although it's painful, I won't lie. I didn't, our previous trade, I didn't enter it because I didn't see it now. Our previous trade would have been here, right? Right? Targeting this top. Then I would drop down to a lower time frame. Whoops. Man, this is so nice. I would have taken something out. So fine, so good. I expect this price to go down. This should be inducement. I expect the price to close below it. Let this work out, please. Alternatively, even if I'm not working with the gap, at least let's see. There's still hope. Very slim hope anyway, but there's still hope. Let's see how it goes. Ah. So we have this topped out, right? We have this topped out, so this is a loss, right? Oops, that's huge loss. It's painful. It's even more painful for my, I think I took the trade on my, oof. Ah. My challenge account. All right, not the end of the world. Let's hope this one works out for us. Woo! This is the only hope for today. If this didn't work out, what else? We'll try again tomorrow. I think another thing I would have to be honest, that setup is a bygone. I have to learn from it. I'll need to join. I want the live. Once I stop the stream, I have to join on. Right back. Alright guys, I'm back for the No one is dropping a comment or a like for today. Please, guys. Looks like it's another liquidity. Looking like if not. Oh my goodness. New York session, London session. London session, please give me profit. All right. Oh my God. All right, guys. I don't know if can wait for the next 30 minutes. I need I need to do something very urgent. Right, so I'm sorry. I think that's we'll draw the curtain for today here. Hopefully we'll do this tomorrow again. I'm still on this trade, so I'll have to monitor the trade. Thanks for watching. Bye. Please leave a like, subscribe, and comment. Right, so I appreciate it. Bye for now.